Hey boys and girls, it's Miss Webb. I hope you're all doing good. And I'm here to give you another writing lesson for the week. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to review some sight words. Now I picked list C because it's about right in the middle and I feel like everybody should know that by now. So I want you to try to read the word first and then I'm going to read it. So here's list C. But, play, said, it's, here, from. You're doing so good. Keep it up. Look, of, come. Good job. I know that was a hard one. I like how you're looking at that first letter and making that sound. Have, like, by, down. Keep it up. We're almost done. You, all, on, my, and guess what? That's the last one. I hope you got all of them with me, and if not, just keep working on them at home, okay? Now we're going to do some writing. So I thought since it's nice outside, the weather's nice and pretty, and it's warm, I was going to do my lesson outside with you. Now, I know you probably know what season it is. Can you tell me what season it is? And it starts with an S sound. You got it. It is spring. So today, we're going to write about spring. Now, this might be just a little bit harder, but you're getting ready to move on, and we're getting toward the end of kindergarten, and we'll be getting ready for first grade. So, I think you can do this. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get my paper, and it is right here. And I'm going to write the word spring. And we already said it starts with S. So we're going to sound it out. We'll stretch it real slow. Spring. So I know I hear S. So that's what I'm going to write first. Sp. What's next? You got it. That's that P sound, that Peter Puppy sound. P, P. Spr. You got it again. Good job. Spring. I'm going to help you just a little bit with the middle. It's I. And then we got to this in Letterland too. N-G. That Noisy Nick and Golden Girl working together. So that is the word spring. Good job sounding that out with me. Now, I'm going to show you what we're going to do next with it. I'm going to take my letters and we're going to go down like this. S, P, and you're going to have to excuse my dog. He wants in the lesson. Oliver. R, I, N, and G. Can you see that? All right. So what I'm going to do, I'll hold it a little bit in case you can't see. It looks like this. I'm going to take my S and I'm going to think of a word that starts with S. And that has to do with spring. So my first word is going to be sun. So that's what I'm going to write for my S word. So I've got my S. We're going to say that. S. So what comes next? That's right. It's a U. No. We're just going to sound them out. And if you miss a couple letters, it is fine. I do not expect you to know how to spell these words. So sun. Okay, good job. We found something that has to do with spring that starts with S. Okay, the next one is, we have the letter P, and it says P. So now I want a word that starts with P that has to do with spring. And I'll give you a hint. What I thought about was, my thoughts were about spring colors. And a lot of our flowers are pink and purple. So I'm going to use the word pink. And it's a little bit different than how it sounds. Pink. Okay, so I'm going to use my word pink right there. And if you want a different word, you pick a different word. You don't have to use my words. Okay, so I've got S, I've got P. Now R is my next one. I wonder what could start with R, with that has to do with spring. How about, I could use another color word, because we see the color red in spring too. Red. Okay? All right, now I am down to I. And I thought about, on nice warm days, I love ice cream. And I know you do too. So I'm going to use ice cream for my I. So ice cream. And you may need some help with a grown-up if you want to use ice cream. Or if you think of another I word, use another I word. You don't have to use mine. Ice cream. And I hear an M sound at the end. Okay? Now, my next letter I have down here is, I'm going to hold it for you to see, is an N. And my N word I thought about, and this one was really hard. I couldn't think of a lot of N words that had to do with spring, but I did think about baby birds are in a nest. The mama bird, when she lays her eggs, she lays them in a nest, and then the babies hatch. So I'm going to write nest. I'm going to hold it. Well, I might have to show it to you. Sound it out with me. It's an E. Nest. Okay, that looks like this. So here I am so far. I have one letter left, and that is a G. So my next word I think I'm going to use is grass, because we see our grass starting to grow again and starting to turn green. So green may be another G word you can use, but I'm going to use grass. So I've got my G at the beginning. And it actually has two S's on the end. So that is how you write the word grass. So this is our writing for today. Now the next step, I could take my words. Nope, my marker is falling. And my first word is sun. So I can take my yellow marker beside the word sun, and I can draw the sun. And beside my word pink, I can use my pink marker, and I could draw a pink flower. Okay, and now I'm here to red, and I can take my red, I could draw a red flower, or I could just make the color red to help me know that is the word red. And my next word is ice cream, and I know that you know how to draw an ice cream cone. So the way I do it, I put a triangle, kind of make it like that way with my point at the bottom, color my ice cream in, and then a circle on top with whatever ice cream you like. So I love chocolate, but I think I'm going to pick strawberry so that you can see my ice cream. I'm going to draw a circle, and that's my strawberry ice cream. All right, and then my next word is nest. So I'm gonna take my brown. I'm gonna make me a little circle. Like that. And I'm gonna put some little eggs in my nest. I'll just use my brown again. Some little bird eggs right in there. I'm gonna put 3 little eggs in my nest. And my last word is grass. So I'm gonna take my green, and I'll show you my picture in a second. And I'm going to draw some grass. So, here is my writing for today. I hope you've enjoyed your writing lesson, and I will see you again later. Bye.